Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and do what we practical in this video tutorial how to get custom ringtone on your iPhone 10, 11, 12 or 13 Pro. How do you get a quickly custom ringtone? Either it's your MP3 that you have the saved in your computer and that's MP3 you would like to have as a ringtone in your iPhone device. How do you do that? Or any songs from YouTube, so from any official website. If you have a downloaded now, you would like to have a quickly set up custom ringtone. So now see here, we have a limited here ringtone. So if I would like to have a more ringtone here by virtue of custom setup, so how do I do that? So for it guys, you have to open this one through YouTube and connect your data cable. So now see guys, with the help of data cable, just you have to connect. So now I connected successfully. Now see, you have to do nothing, just you have to, here we will have options, ringtone, this one, just you need to click here. Now wherever you have, after downloading, you have saved your mp3 file and folder, from there you have to go. So by clicking here we can import. So if it is in a file, then you have to select in a file. If it is in a folder, directly whole folder you would like to have, then directly you. So here I would like to go with the especially. Now see, this ringtone actually I have saved especially on my hard disk of this computer. So now I will open it now. So see, it has started to import, and now see here it is. So how quickly you will get a, now see, so now see, so it's a custom. You can quickly within a second, especially by virtue of this, especially through your tool, of course you can have a ringtone according to your own desire in any iPhone device. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Furthermore, any inquiry, then blindly I have the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time guys.